Hello decoders, really thank you so much for subscribing us. We have reached 119 subscribers and 542 views in just a week. So it was my pleasure to be your tutor at your doorstep. Okay, so let's get started and dive directly into what is data science. We'll have a quick recap of what we have studied in the last week. Yeah. So, Introduction to Data Science by Decode. So, this is a syllabus which we are taking from the Pune University BCA Science course. Okay, so last week we have studied what is data science, basics of data science, difference between what is structured data, semi-structured data, and unstructured data. Now, I hope you have remember that data science has been booming in the industry from since like past few years, and everyone you'll hear is I want to become a data scientist or data analyst. So this study is related to something like that. Now we have studied what is structured data, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. So before that, we'll check what is data science. Now, data science is the field that deals with what kind of data we are getting. According to that data, we take insights, which means we take information from that data, particular past data, so that we can apply that as an algorithm and use it for the future, so that whatever losses have occurred, whatever mistakes we have made, according to that we might overcome it. That's why we use data science. Okay, so let's see the basics of data type. Now, data is categorized into three different parts. One is structured, second is semi-structured, and third is unstructured. Now, structured format will be anything which is in tabular format. Semi-structures means which have tags like HTMLs, but it is XML. Like they show the structure of any component. Like in Eclipse, I had given you an example that in Eclipse, XML files are present, which shows the entire data structure of how the files are present in a project. Now, unstructured data deals with your videos, audios, and your photos. So let's check what's the next topic. It is the difference between structured and unstructured data, which I've told you in the last video. Same goes for semi-structured. Now, examples we have seen for the three different data structures, which were unstructured data, normal any paragraph. Now, semi-structured data, which was our XML. XML was tags. Like here we have taken an example of university student ID. Now, structured data is proper in a tabular format, which has been maintained. Okay. So, today's topic will be data science process. Now, before that, we need to understand few terms. So what is data, what is information, what is insight. Now, data here we can see it is raw and unorganized information. Now, for example, if you're going somewhere and you're just talking to somebody about, if you're going for a survey to somebody, and you just ask few information, but the information is raw, only you know the information, it is not organized, like you just know it, you didn't note it down. Now, what is information? Now, information, while doing a survey, if you have a kind of a notebook which you are maintaining with proper format, you write the entire information which can be processed further, that how many survey you have conducted, how many people you have taken it. Now, insight is something which we gain from the information. Okay, information of whatever people you have got, whatever surveys you have got. Now, according to the survey, you can calculate how many people are below poverty line, how many people are living middle class life. Okay, so insight is very important part in any data science project or any data science process as well. Okay, I hope you understood that. Now, what is the need of data science? Why it is emerging so much? So let's see why. Now, Netflix, like now I know it's quarantine time, everyone is busy with some or the other Netflix series. Now, whenever you have seen any Netflix series, you will get similar kind of genre given to you, like similar kind of genre suggestions given to you, that you could watch this if you liked this. Okay, the same kind of entire genre will be portrayed in your Netflix according to what you watch. All right, Next is your Amazon. Now, if you're buying any product in Amazon, or if you're just looking for it, and if you're not exactly buying but still you keep on getting ads related to such products or the alternative to such kind of products. Now here we use machine learning algorithms so that whatever the user searches, we can give the machine can give us the alternative way to us, so that it makes the buyer tempting to buy the product. Okay, next is Amazon Prime. It is the same example as of Netflix. Now, what is YouTube? YouTube is the same with a bit of twist. Like YouTube, you have many of your friends watching some kind of videos, or now cooking time has been like everyone has become chef these days in quarantine time. So people may watch cooking videos, and suddenly, if you see a cooking video on your timeline in your YouTube channel, so it's no surprise that your friends are watching. That's why you have been suggested such channel. Okay, so whatever your friends are watching, you may get suggested with the same video. I hope you understood this. Now, next is your medical sciences. Now, where do we use data science in medical sciences? For cancer detection cells. Now, if you have a cell structure which is similar, now it can help another patient to detect if the patient is cancerous or not. Now, next, what comes to our mind when we think about data scientist? Data means what? A large amount of data, which is obviously data. So you should be very clear with your database concepts, as well as it should be very crystal clear. You should never have any doubt regarding your database. Next, knowledge comes to make the trends or to read the trends. You should be very good with stats. Okay. Next thing is programming language. Now, why R and Python programming language only? Because these programming languages provides you with packages which you can use and make your graphs. For example, R programming I have personally used for to make the scatter plots. Now, Python programming languages have n number of packages which will help you support your data manipulation or gathering data insights. Now, next is your machine learning. What do you understand from machine learning? You have to make the machine learn. Now, how you'll make the machine learn? By feeding it data. You should be very well aware that what kind of data you have to feed to the machine, what algorithm you have to implement. So you have to achieve a proper problem which has been defined. So for that, your problem should be very well defined, and only then you will be able to achieve the results by applying a certain algorithm. I hope this is clear to you. That's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section below, or we have our email ID which will be given in the description box below. Thank you.